Students, today we are going to start off class 2, chapter number 6, coming in unit 1, that is adjective describing words. Now look at the pictures and read the sentences given below. Peter is a fat boy. The man carries a heavy box. She is a black dog. She has a black dog. She had 4 balloons. Mary had a little lamb. In the sentence 1, the word fat tell us about what the kind of boy Peter is it. The word heavy tell us what kind of box the man describe the box. Black, what color dog has. Little, what size of Mary's lamb was. 4, how many balloons she had. Now they are called, these are all describing words. So words which describe nouns are called adjective, and all the describing words are adjective. Now in each of the above sentence, the adjectives come before the noun. Now look at the pictures and then read the sentences given below. Hari is tall but his sister is short. Tall and short, the 2 adjectives are there. The stick is long but the pencil is short. Long and short, 2 adjectives are there. Now coming on to the next page. The woman is young but the man is old. Young and the old, 2 adjective. The ice is cold but the fire is hot, means the opposite ones. They are showing the adjectives oppositely, opposite words. Now in these sentences, the adjective tall, short, long, young, old, cold, hot come after the nouns Hari, sister, sick, pencil, woman, ice, fire. They are separated from the nouns by verbs. In the following sentences, the colored word tell us what kind of, how many, and of what color, etc. person, animals, places or things are. Sita is a kind girl. He has a red cap. Hari has 6 pence. He is a rich man. He has a white dog. Himali has new shoes. Adjectives are words which tell us what kind of, यानी कि what quality, how many, of what color, etc. places, animals or things are. Now exercise 1. Underline the sentences in the following sentences. Ashoka was a good and noble king. Good and noble. The boy lived in a big white house. Big white. This plant has small blue flowers. An umbrella is a useful thing. Ria has new yellow frock. That is new yellow. Lions are strong wild animals. These small mangoes have a sweet taste. Now do the rest on your own. Now coming on to the exercise 2, put the adjective in the blank spaces from the following list. Here the list is given, so we have to put the suitable adjective according to the sentence. Lash boy fails, lazy boy. Honey is sweet. The knife is blunt. Asses have long ears. We can say her hair is, we can say her ears is black. Ice is cold and the fire is hot. Now coming on to the exercise 3, put the adjectives in the box under the right column. Describes person or animals: busy, cheerful. Describing places: deep, wet. Describes things: tasty. Now describe things: wooden, wide, places, happy people. In this way we can do this. Now coming on to the exercise 4, write a noun for the following describing words. Yellow frock, green grass, hot dish, black shoes, long hair, blue car. In this way we can do. Now here comes the end of the chapter. Thank you.